When stay-at-home orders started about a month ago, I gave a little IGTV tutorial on how to get a good-looking Zoom shot or Skype interview. It's been about a month now, and I've seen some pretty interesting Zoom calls and Skype videos. So I thought, okay, it's time to do a refresher, but I'm gonna make this simple. Let's talk headroom. I have seen a lot of crazy shots lately. So too much headroom, no headroom at all. Off kilter, off to the side. Listen, this is just a Zoom shot. We're not trying to be super creative. You just want it to look clean. So the rule for images is the rule of thirds. So think about this. When you are looking at your image, you want to break it down into 9 boxes. You've got 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. You want your eyes to line up as close as they can with the top vertical line, and you want your body to be in between those horizontal lines. Now for internet. You're probably using a lot of bandwidth. Probably have more than one person working from home. Your cell phones have Wi-Fi, and you've got your Netflix on. Next time you make a Zoom or a Skype call, turn everything off, from your Netflix to the Wi-Fi on your cell phone. You don't want to be the person that freezes up during the call. And if you can afford it, you might want to call your provider and up your plan. Now lighting, and probably the most important thing. Biggest mistake I've seen. Putting your back to the window. I mean, look at me. I'm all dark. It's all blown out behind me. It looks terrible. And the viewer, they can't really see you. But there's an easy fix. You want to put your face toward the window. Take advantage of that natural light. It reduces shadows, and it's a miracle worker, especially if you don't have a light kit. It doesn't really matter what it looks like behind you. Everyone's going to be looking here, and you want to look your best. If you want to get fancy and invest in a light kit, these 3 cost me about $150. But if you can only purchase one, go with the key light here, or the ring light. Look, gives you those nice little halos in your eyes. You've got the fill light over here, which helps with contouring, and the backlight, which gives you that great little aura above your head. Oh, the level. This is the least flattering position on anyone. I mean, nobody wants to see all that. And in real life, you don't look down at someone when you're talking to them or look up. You look eye level. Grab a shoebox or an old Amazon box, whatever it takes to prop up the laptop or your desktop, and make sure that you're looking eye level with whoever you're talking with, just like you would in real life. That's it. We're done. Hill, headroom, internet, lighting, level. Good luck on your next Zoom call.